Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student. Hope all of you are fine at your home. So, as we chapter 5 started, you studied about different properties of liquid: evaporation, boiling point, vapor pressure. To our left, which we'll study about today in the today's lecture. So that is the which was left, that is the diffusion. Firstly, you can see the contents, you can make the heading, definition, examples and factors. Now what is diffusion? Diffusion is defined as the movement of particles from area of higher concentration to area of low concentration. Particles spread out and solute. Example is perfume and solvent is air. You will easily noticeable the example of diffusion in your daily life. When you use the perfume, then the fragrance of the perfume will spread all around us. Why this is spread all around us? Because the particles of perfume, which is the gas molecule, but these are the mist particles like liquid molecules, also mix them. So these are the aerosols. So these particles move from area of higher concentration to the area of lower concentration. So this is the containers, and if you add, for example, in water you can add the sugar or the salt. So when you dissolve it, mix it, then what will happen? Stir it, then what will happen? Solute. When in the bottom there is the more concentration, but after a while the particles are spread around and form a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture mean that there is no definite boundaries. When the sugar solution are formed, when the salt solution are formed, then you cannot define that where is the solute and the solvent. So that's why this is called homogeneous mixture. After the diffusion, the mixture will form that is homogeneous. Another examples of liquid is that when few drops of ink are added in a beaker of water, ink molecules move around and after a while separate in a hole of the beaker, thus diffusion has taken place. You will easily see when you put the few drops of ink, and in your home this is there is a Robin-Neal like this. When you put 1 to 2 drops in the water of Robin-Neal, what will happen? The Neal will spread all over in the water. So this is the diffusion. This is the examples of the diffusion. So liquid diffuse like gases, but the rate of diffusion of liquid is very slow. Why rate of the liquids is very slow? Because the particles of liquids are, as compared to the gases, are little close to each other as compared to the gases. But in gases the particles are far apart from each other. That's why diffusion are rate of the diffusion of liquid are less, yes, slow as compared to gases. So this is the example of diffusion, that is the dye molecule. Same, if you see the dyer, when they put the dye, mean by which are in solid form in the water, then what will happen? After a while the water contain the dyes and they form a homogeneous mixture. So this is, and it is in an equilibrium. Equilibrium mean the dissolved and undissolved particle are in equilibrium. ठीक है, okay. Next चलते हैं factor affecting diffusion. The diffusion of liquid depend upon the following factor. Number 1, intermolecular forces. Number 2, size of molecule. Intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces, you studied in your previous chapter that the force of attraction, this is the weak force of attraction among the molecules of substances. So if the as compared to the gases, liquids have strong intermolecular forces as compared to gases, but in some liquid they're the more strong force of attraction as compared to weak. So liquids having weak intermolecular forces diffuse faster because the easily bond break and they can diffuse from their place, and then those having strong intermolecular forces. Size of water, if you can take the example of the water and acetone, these are both are liquid. So water molecules of water have the strong intermolecular forces as compared to acetone. So acetone quickly diffuse as compared to water. Size of molecule, big size molecule diffuse slowly. For example, honey diffuse slowly in water than that of alcohol in water. Big size molecule diffuse slowly. If you see that honey, if you can put honey in the water, then it slightly move in the water, and there are more stirring is required to diffuse this honey in the water, to mix the honey in the water. So, and when you add the alcohol in water, it can easily add in the water. So alcohol have a small size molecule and honey has large size molecule. So honey diffuse slowly and alcohol diffuse faster. Shapes of molecule. Regular shape molecule diffuse faster than irregular shape molecule because they can easily slip over and move fast. Regular shape molecule diffuse faster. Regular, there is a, if there is a rectangular shape, if there is a circular shape, if there is any other shape of the molecules, then they can diffuse easily as compared to the more complex like crystalline crystal lattice, like वो ये rhombic type. तो इस तरह के molecules की जो होती हैं वो they can not easily diffuse. Diffusion, next last factor is diffusion increase by increasing temperature, because at high temperature the intermolecular forces become weak due to high kinetic energy of the molecule. Up same diffusion, when you increase the temperature, then the molecule diffuse more quickly as compared to, because the molecules have more kinetic energy. When you give the heat to the molecules, then they gain the kinetic energy, then they move quickly as compared to the molecules which are in cold state or in not in hot state. तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने से आपको इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेस जो है वो जल्दी ब्रेक हो जाएंगी एज कम्पेयर टू अगर आप हीट नहीं दे रहे तो उनको. तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने से जैसे बहुत सी बॉइलिंग पॉइंट आपके पास जो है, ये वेपर प्रेशर है, आपके पास इवेपोरेशन है, वो इंक्रीज हो जाती है, सेम डिफ्यूजन भी इंक्रीज हो जाती है. The next topic is density. Density, in your previous classes, you will study about that. What is density? Density is actually the mass per unit area, one unit volume. So, densities of liquid are high as compared to gases. Why the densities of liquids are high? Because liquids are denser than gases, because molecules of liquid are closely packed and the space between the molecules are negligible. As a liquid molecule have strong intermolecular forces, hence they cannot expand freely and have a fixed volume. Like gases, they cannot occupy all the available volume of the container. So that's why the densities of liquids are high. This is the reason. Densities of water is 1 gram per cm cube, while that of air is 0.001. So the difference between the densities of water and air. Next है जी, इसके बाद test yourself है. Why does evaporation increase by the rise in temperature? पेज नंबर 89 पे आपका टेस्ट और सेल्फ है. तो व्हेन टेम्परेचर इज इंक्रीज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल आल्सो इंक्रीजेस, सो दे ओवरकम द इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस एंड एस्केप फ्रॉम द सरफेस रैपिडली, सो evaporation rate increases. As in the previous topic of the diffusion, I was telling you about that when you increase the temperature, intermolecular forces become weak because energy is given, then the intermolecular forces will decreases and kinetic energy will increases. So that's why they will escape quickly. What do you mean by condensation? Condensation is the reverse of evaporation. when the you can this is the process of conversion of gases into liquid state. Why is the vapor pressure higher at high temperature? Again, vapor pressure higher at high temperature. When temperature increases, again same, intermolecular forces increases. Intermolecular, the rate of evaporation increases. When the rate of evaporation increases, then the overcome the intermolecular forces, and when intermolecular forces overcome, then the kinetic energy more, so more molecule will escape out. If the container is closed, then pressure exerted by these atmosphere also increases. Why is the boiling point of water higher than that of alcohol? Because of strong intermolecular forces in it. What do we mean by dynamic equilibrium? The state at which the number of evaporating molecules are equal to the number at condensing molecule is called dynamic. Why does the rate of diffusion increasing by increasing temperature? Because intermolecular forces weaken and kinetic energy of molecule increases. Hence they move faster. Why liquids are mobile? It is because the molecule in the liquid are not as closely packed as in solid. The forces of attraction are also less as compared to solid. Why the rate of diffusion in liquids slower than that of gases? Molecules in liquids are held by strong forces than in gases. Molecules of liquid are closer than gases. The liquids cannot move as freely as gases. So this is the reason why the rate of diffusion in liquid slower than that of gases. Now next is the solid state. Solid state. In your previous classes you studied about what are the properties of the solids. The particles of the solids are closely packed together. Most solids have specific geometric arrangement. Geometric arrangement mean by they have regular shape. Okay? You can tell the chemical and physical properties of solid based on the type of arrangement that a solid form. And solid have definite shape and volume. So these are the properties of general properties of solid state. Next, the first property of solids are melting. What is melting now? The name indicates melts. The solids melts and change into liquid. That is called melting. The change from the solid state to the liquid state, it is called melting. The temperature at which a substance changes from a solid to a liquid is called melting point. The melting is when matter absorbs thermal energy and its temperature rises. लाजमी बात है, जब भी मेल्टिंग होनी है उसने हीट एब्जॉर्ब करके ही मेल्ट होना है, इसके बगैर नहीं हो सकता. चाहे वो रूम टेम्परेचर है तो रूम टेम्परेचर में सराउंडिंग को वो एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है हीट, और अगर आप दे रहे हैं हीट तो वो जल्दी से एब्जॉर्ब करके वो मेल्टिंग जो है जल्दी हो रही है. तो मेल्टिंग विदाउट थर्मल एनर्जी इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. जी, द टेम्परेचर एट विच सॉलिड चेंज इनटू लिक्विड दैट इज कॉल्ड मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. वो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होता है. मेल्टिंग तो आपको पता चल गया कि वो स्टेट है जो सॉलिड से लिक्विड में जाती है, दैट इज मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. और temperature at which solids start melting and coexist in dynamic equilibrium with liquid state. When the rate of liquid and solid state are equal, what is now equilibrium? Equilibrium is the rate of in your previous topic vapor pressure, the rate of evaporating molecules converted into is equals to the rate of condensing molecule come back. That is the called equilibrium. Equilibrium in which the rate of forward direction become equal to the rate of reverse direction, that is equilibrium. So in the equilibrium, the solid the rate of the melting and the rate of the freezing, या कह दो कि रेट ऑफ द, आप कह दो कि मेल्टिंग में के लिक्विड्स का और सॉलिड के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो इक्वल होंगे, तो तब आपके पास वो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट कहलाता है. वो टेम्परेचर जिसमें आप देखोगे सॉलिड और लिक्विड इक्विलिब्रियम में को एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं, मतलब कि उनका रेट इक्वल है, तो वो आपके पास क्या होगा, वो आपके पास मेल्टिंग पॉइंट है. अब मेल्टिंग पॉइंट जो आयनिक होते हैं और कोवलेंट होते हैं, सॉलिड्स होते हैं, जैसे पोलर कोवलेंट सॉलिड्स हैं, उनके मेल्टिंग पॉइंट क्या होंगे, ज़्यादा होंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि उनका मैक्रो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, वो बड़े बड़े मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, तभी उनका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है, ज़्यादा होता है, क्योंकि उनको टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा देना पड़ता है टू चेंज इनटू from solid into liquid. So this is all about our topic. Hope you can understand and listen carefully. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.